I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and permissions won't interrupt pairing. Charge the tracker above 50%, then open the Fitbit app. This ensures firmware checks can complete. Once the app is open, sign in or create an account so the device can attach to your profile. Make sure Bluetooth is on and grant location access if prompted, because many phones require it to scan and connect. Now tap the plus or set up a device option to begin the actual pairing flow. You choose your specific Fitbit model from the apps list so the software uses the correct protocol. Then follow the on-screen instructions. The app will display a code or prompt, and your tracker may show the same digits. Confirm them to authorize pairing. While this happens, keep the phone within a few inches of the tracker so the signal stays stable, and make sure other Bluetooth devices are off or out of range to prevent mispairing. Once confirmed, wait for sync and firmware checks to finish. You finish by allowing the app to sync data and set your preferences like notifications and activity goals so the tracker works the way you expect. If the connection fails, restart both the phone and the Fitbit, then retry the pairing. This clears temporary Bluetooth or software glitches. Make sure no VPN or low-power mode is blocking communication. If problems continue, remove Bluetooth pairing entries, reinstall the app, and then pair again. This sequence resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.